Dear children, welcome to English language class. Today, let us solve question number 5 ABCD of test paper 7 of Total English. As I've told you many times earlier, the passage before solving, go through the passage, read the passage thoroughly 2 times. Only the third time you must attempt the answers. And example is given here. Don't take down and write the example in the answer sheet. You need to write only one onwards and only answers. Don't copy the paragraph. So let's see the answers. No matter how good technology becomes, you can't beat instinct, especially it is in the case of Annie, a young detective dog, fresh out of training. It was routine to prance around at Mumbai airport for her when she suddenly sniffed something that made her sit up. In seconds, she ran towards a woman with such force that her handler fell. The woman on Annie's radar was a tourist who had alighted from an international airlines flight at 4 a.m. The haul, Annie detected, amounted 3.2 crores. The drugs were concealed in cardboard boxes wrapped so well in embroidered lace that they would never have appeared suspicious but for Annie's sense of smell. This was Annie's first catch after a 3 months training at the BSF Institute of near Gwalior. Coming to preposition. For learning preposition, you have to keep on reading books. You need oral practice. Only then you will be able to do prepositions. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Smita has just come into a fortune. My neighbor is too miserly to part with money. We couldn't help laughing at the child's antics. The ship appeared on the horizon. The scooter is always breaking down. Courage will carry him through difficulties. The principal called for a written explanation. Ritu felt offended by his remarks. See question. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and but so. He is very ill. He can't walk to the bathroom. He can't walk to the bathroom since he is very ill. As he is very ill. Because he is very ill. Otherwise, being very ill, comma, he can't walk to the bathroom. Then the next sentence. It rained heavily. We could not play football. Since it rained heavily, we could not play football. As it rained heavily, we could not play football. We could not play football because it rained heavily. You are not supposed to start a sentence with because. Don't start. My friend went abroad. 6 months have passed. So, 6 months have passed since my friend went abroad. He finished his work. He went to play. Having finished his work, comma, he went to play. Children, please take care of the punctuation marks. End the sentence with a full stop. Then rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after age. Example is there. You must read it. I expect that he will get there by lunchtime. I expect him to get there. So with the infinitive, it is changed. In spite of the heavy rain, a large number of students were present. Though it rained heavily, comma, a large number of students were present. If you wear thin clothes, you will feel cold. Unless you wear thick clothes, you will feel cold. Unless you wear thick clothes, you will feel cold. And these are one examples, one answers. You may get still more sentences when you go through this. No other planet is as big as Jupiter. Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. Call the fire brigade before the fire destroys everything. We had better call the fire brigade before the fire destroys everything. We had better to call. Although he was selected for the post, he did not join the office. Despite being selected for the post, comma, he did not join the office. Despite being. With despite, don't use of. Despite being selected for the post, he did not join the office. Since children have problem, schools have counselors. Schools have counselors for solving the problem of children. Only a prince can afford to live such a life of luxury. None except a prince can afford to live such a life of luxury. Apparently, it is a good proposal. It appears to be a good proposal. It appears to be a good proposal. So children, these are one answers I have given you. When you go through it thoroughly, you may get some other answers also, and we can clear all your doubts in the Zoom classes. So please complete your 7th chapter also. Thank you. Have a good day.